Hi everybody, it's Andie. How you guys doing? How was y'all's Labor Day? Mine was good. Um, my boyfriend's grandma came down, and my son went with his grandma because he wanted to hang out with her for Labor Day, and she wanted him, and I was like, hey, okay. And then me and my boyfriend and his grandma hung out, and he made pork ribs and his baked bean special. I don't like beans. So him and his grandma ate that, and then I had pork ribs, green beans, a roll, and then a piece of his grandma's chocolate chip coconut icing cake, and it was so good. I was like, yeah, baby, that is some good cake. Anyways, I'm going to show you. Look what I did. I dyed the tips of my hair pink. I'm going to chop it all off anyway, so after Monday, guys, get prepared to see my new hair. I'm a girl. This stuff is important to us girls. We spend hours on end doing our hair just so we can grow it out and chop it off again. Grow it out and chop it off again. Get used to it, fellas. That's what guys do. Guys do. Well, actually, some guys do that. But I was talking about girls. But get used to it, fellas, because that's what girls do. Anyways, oh my god, I needed a new word. I am going to be doing a burping video for you guys here in about 3-4 more seconds. Also, sorry if I offended anyone with my dirty habit. It's just a cigarette. Don't freak out. Whatever you do, I will advise you, do not ever start. If you don't smoke, do not start. And if you're a younger person, and oh yeah, it's cool when you're younger because, oh hey, I'm gonna go and smoke because it's cool. No, it's not. Because it's cool to you when you're younger and you're not supposed to do it, and then you end up being of the age and you've already smoked for like 10 years or whatever. Yeah, I started at 9. It was horrible. Terrible, terrible thing. Do not ever start, because when you become of the age and you start smoking, you're going to be like, God, I wish I could quit smoking. I mean, a lot of people can, but there are just some that can't. I happen to be one of them. I wish I could, but I can't. Because now it's just a filthy, dirty habit that I'm addicted to. And I hate smoking. I really do. I hate it. But anyways, burping. Back to burping. Please don't judge me for my habits. Everybody has theirs. Smoking is mine. Anyways. Ooh. I was trying to talk burp the other day. I'm going to try to do it again. I think I'm going to try to burp my name. I'm going to try. I'm just going to burp Andie. I'm going to try to see if I can do it. Well, that was close.
I love you guys so much.
Wow, I had a lot more burps in me than I thought. I hope you guys like that. Sorry about my introduction. It was kind of crappy, and please don't judge me. Anyways, I love you guys. Mwah. Like, rate, subscribe. say what you feel like in the comment section down below, and I'll get back to you if you write me so. Please don't hesitate to comment, like, subscribe, and rate.
Bye.
Mwah!